Hello traders and welcome to 5 Minute Alpha. So I have talked about this website before, CoinGlass. I gave you guys access to the free tool, which is right here in liquidation, and then you go to liquidation map. I've talked about that. CoinGlass has now released a free liquidation heat map for any coin that you want. So we're gonna be looking at Binance TRB. What a amazingly powerful tool. Let's dive into what this tool is and really some easy ways you can make money with it. So first of all, for those that don't know, you can read what it is down here. It's a map that basically shows you where traders are likely to be liquidated. Now, TRB has been an unstoppable force recently. As you can see here, yeah, insane. The crypto market hasn't gone up that much. It's up, but not really up that much at all. Like, look at this chart though. TRB is just absolutely won't stop rising. Let's go over a few factors why. Because it has to do a lot with short squeezes. Okay, so when we talk about this, what I also want to talk about is how accurate is this? This heat map chart has actually been very accurate with predicting where traders would be liquidated. So if you look right here, we can zoom in to the 12-hour. Do you see here at about 16:05, 16:30, around 16:30 right there, that there were a lot of traders that were indicated to be liquidated? Well, look at this. These are the actual liquidations that happened on TRB across multiple exchanges. And as you can see, the majority of liquidation happened actually exactly where it was predicted to happen at the timestamp of 16:30, just where it was predicted right here. So this tool actually is very accurate with predicting this. We look at September 15th data. What was this, like September 15th, like 11:15? All of those liquidations happened around here. In red is liquidations of shorts, guys. In green is liquidations of longs. You can see a lot of red here at about 11:30. That's exactly where all these liquidations were predicted to occur. Now, also, if you wanted to zoom out, let's say to like the 3-day, I think the 3-day is pretty good, and we want to look at farther out liquidations, well, we can. Remember that green's long and red is short, just so that you have that in your mind. Now, this is going to be a little bit harder to read, but just know that yellow means that a lot of people will be liquidated there. So where do we see a lot of yellow that was touched, really? Well, right here, 13th of September, it looks like this had predicted that a lot of people would be liquidated the 13th of September. Look at where the majority of people got liquidated. The 13th of September at 12 o'clock, right there. Look, the amount of people liquidated in shorts was 623K in 1 hour. 623K in an altcoin. Where did this indicate that a lot of people will be liquidated? 12 o'clock. This tool is really, really powerful with predicting exactly where traders will be liquidated. And it seems like these guys really got the formula right with predicting where these shorts are likely to be slaughtered, essentially. So I really like it. You can also get 1-minute data of exact liquidations. So for those that don't know, I prefer the approach of magnet. The magnet approach is using something where if we think that a lot of people are going to be liquidated at a certain price, we bet on the market reaching that price. That's, a magnetization trade. That's the one that I typically like to do. I don't love this idea as much that they put down here. So magnet zone, let's go talk about that. Where is the new magnet zone for TRB? How can we make some predictions using this very accurate data? So it looks like here, a lot of the shorts have already been liquidated. So I'd expect probably a little bit, maybe even the market falling. I know the market's been on an unstoppable tear, but it seems like we've liquidated a lot of the shorts already. Now, if you want to see really good data on exactly who is short, you can actually go to MEXC and get exact long-short data right here. This is the final tool that I'm going to be showing you guys. You can see here that the majority of the market, 2/3 are short and 1/3 are long, which typically leads to a short squeeze. They have been trapped short for a while on MEXC. If I go to the 4-hour, you can see that it's been more shorts than longs pretty consistently. If we go to the daily, you can see that it's been all shorts that were just ready to get slaughtered, as you can see right there. So that's MEXC contract data, very helpful for seeing the mood of the market. Then what you do after you look at this is, of course, we want to go look at predicting where people will be liquidated next. Here, it doesn't really look like there's going to be much more liquidation because everyone's already liquidated. But if price were to fall, I think the 33 area would basically kill a lot of traders who were over leveraged long and didn't take profit. And then if you want to see exactly where and when, if the liquidations actually occur, you can look here. I have found very, very, very good correlation between predictive liquidations and actual historical liquidations. So I find this tool very, very helpful. If you want more tools like this, more trading ideas like this, more profitable and exploitive ways to trade, you can click the link in the description below, and join the Discord for only $15 a month. Very cheap. It's a few coffees that will save you from becoming one of the lines on these charts that I'm going to be talking about. So, happy trading. Let's go get them.